Hey everybody, last week we were doing the part 1 of basic HTML form with just the HTML part. Today we'll be doing the CSS as well in this part 2. So here we start with the form, the CSS for the form element, margin 0 auto, width 400 pixel, padding 1 em, border 1 px solid gray, and border radius, I give it a 2 em. I would also like to give it a bit of width, thickness. So here we go. Now whatever sizes I am giving, that's just personal choice. You can go ahead and do different size as well. This is just to give you a basic idea. Background, the background color you can choose to have whatever color you like. Here we have black, and the color of the font, white. Okay, now we go to we have the div. So we go to do the CSS for the div. Margin top 1. Okay, then the label. To make sure all labels have the same size and they are properly aligned, we do this part. Inline block. Width, again personal choice or depending on how it comes out. Text align right. You will see how when you see the form. For the input as well as the text area, we do together. So what we want to make sure that all the text fields have the same font setting. So here font, you choose size, and then the type sans serif. That's again perfectly up to you. Width, again a personal choice. Box. This is always like this to give a shape. So here we kind of harmonize the look and feel of the text field border. So what do we do for that? We give the border 1px solid, let's say light gray, for example, because we need to see the outline. Then we have to do for the text area. Because the text fields have to be aligned as well. Top, because the input is starting from top to bottom. Because we need some area to type the text right. So we need the height. 5 em. Again, up to you. You could have you could give a lesser space or slightly larger space. That's your choice. Do not forget the button styling. Okay, so a bit of padding to the left. I'm not explaining padding left right because I guess you're already CSS conversant, so you must be familiar with it. margin left. Then you have again a bit of more padding. Background color. White font. Save, and then let's take a look at how it's coming up. Change the view. Yes, it's quite good, except the submit button has been a bit aligned to the left. So let's see how we can bring it to the right. A bit more. Let's see how it looks like. This is totally up to you how you can do. Yes, now it looks pretty decent. Okay. So here is our part 2 of the first basic HTML form using CSS. The session has ended, and what I suggest is you can use the same syntaxes and kind of modify this form to do different color, different background, padding, etc. to see how it goes. I'll join you in the third session to do more of CSS in order to make it look even better and more advanced. I repeat again, this class is exclusively for beginner students of HTML and CSS because the more advanced students would already know how to do it. Yes, and then please do not forget to like and also subscribe, to click the subscribe button so that you can see more such free videos from basic to advanced sessions for CSS, HTML as well as JavaScript. I'll be doing several such free videos, so please do remember to subscribe to my YouTube. Thank you again. If you have any suggestions or any opinions, please feel free to share with me. Thank you so much.